Want picnic? Welcome to Island Rhyme. Let's learn 10 farm animals. Cow. Cow. This is a cow.
Old MacDonald have a yard, you know.
Chicken. Chicken. These are chicken. Bees. Bees. These are honeybees. Donkey. Donkey. This is a donkey. Pig. Pig. These are pigs.
Old MacDonald have a yard so green.
Duck. Duck. The duck is swimming.
Old MacDonald have a yard so green. Old MacDonald have a yard so bright.
Goat. Goat. Goat.
Old MacDonald have a yard so bright.
Horse. 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 Turkey. 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 Sheep. White sheep. Sheep. Join me again next time.